board? We're half of you. Why not take about 3 or 4 more here? And I'll be back for the rest of just a couple minutes. Okay. The reason I threw 4 more on there, 3 or 4 more, was we're missing about a third of our group. This is a reservable tour, and I don't think they've shown up yet, so I want to give them a little extra time. Maybe they'll have arrived by the time I get back up there and pick up the rest. This is a 300-foot deep elevator shaft. It's the equivalent of a 30-story building. It is the longest public elevator ride in South Dakota, because we don't have very tall buildings in the state of South Dakota. But we're going down 23 stories. It takes about 30 seconds. You might feel a little pressure building here. Is this perfectly normal? You can feel it slowing down. Here we are. As you go down around the corner to the next glass door, just wait right there, and I'll go and get the rest of our group. Okay, green light's a good thing. Yeah, let's see, going, says blue letters going down. If we didn't get a green light, then we'd have to take the emergency exit, which would involve going back out this door and up those steps you saw back there to the target room. And we'd stop and take a breather in the target room. We'd go beneath that big platform and over to a hole in the wall on the opposite side of the target room. You might have noticed that at the beginning of the tour. There's some steps leading up to it. And that's a 500-foot-long man-made tunnel leads out to the bottom of the lithograph canyon. That's how they got all the material and labor in here to build the scenic tour trail you enjoyed today. Now it's used as the emergency exit in case the elevators aren't working. So again, for the first trip up, I'll take maybe 10, 12, 14 or so, and then I'll come back and get the rest. There we go. Aboard. Back down for the rest of you in 7 minutes.
I hadn't thought about the elevator not working, so.
So it's about a 45-second ride to the surface there. Wind Cave is a very different kind of cave tour. Passageways are smaller, longer, more linear. The tours were developed back in the early 1900s when they didn't know a lot of what was there. There are big rooms and passageways similar to this in Wind Cave also. And I'd say it's a good chance sometime down the line they may decide to open up one of those areas to the public like we did here with this scenic tour. The big difference is you're going to see a lot of box work over there where you saw very little here. Over there, though, they don't have the nail-head spar on the walls like we do here. Here we are. Back to the sunshine. Thanks for coming out to see us.
Thank you very much.
You guys enjoy your afternoon.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Drive safely. I have once. This is my 7th summer season. It was my first season here.